Welcome to the future of luxury mobility. This is the Rolls-Royce 103EX, also known as the Vision Next 100 concept. It is the first and only full electric vehicle produced by Rolls-Royce, and it showcases the brand's dedication to innovation and excellence. The 103EX is not just a car, it is a personalized icon for the future, providing a sanctuary of calm in an ever-faster world. The pinnacle of effortless autonomous travel, gliding silently through the cities of tomorrow. The 103EX is gigantic, measuring 19.4 feet long and 5.2 feet tall. It has a sleek and futuristic design with a curved roofline and a massive front grille. The wheels are enclosed in aerodynamic fenders, giving the car a smooth and seamless appearance. The doors open upwards like wings, revealing a spacious and luxurious interior. The interior of the 103EX is unlike any other car you have ever seen. There is no steering wheel, no dashboard, no pedals. Instead, there is a large OLED screen that displays information and entertainment. The screen is controlled by voice commands or gestures, and it can also interact with you through an artificial intelligence system called Eleanor. Eleanor is your personal assistant, chauffeur, and companion. She can learn your preferences, anticipate your needs, and make suggestions based on your mood and destination. The 103X has no seats, but rather a sofa that can comfortably accommodate 2 passengers. The sofa is covered in silk upholstery and adorned with handcrafted wood trim. The floor is made of macassar wood panels that create a warm and inviting atmosphere. The ceiling is illuminated by hundreds of fiber optic lights that resemble stars in the night sky. The 103EX is powered by an electric drivetrain that delivers smooth and silent performance. The battery pack is located under the floor, providing a low center of gravity and optimal weight distribution. The car can also communicate with other vehicles and infrastructure, ensuring safety and efficiency on the road. The 103EX is not just a concept car, it is a vision of the future. A future where you can enjoy the ultimate luxury experience without compromising on sustainability or convenience. A future where you can travel in style and comfort while leaving behind a positive impact on the world. This is the Rolls-Royce 103EX, Vision Next 100. The Peugeot Inception concept car was unveiled at the Consumer Electronics Show, CES, in Las Vegas in January 2023, and it is a high-tech, high-performance concept car that can accelerate from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in less than 3 seconds, thanks to its 507-kilowatt all-wheel drive engine. The car also features a sky space, a glass roof that changes color in the light and creates a luminous and sophisticated atmosphere inside. The interior of the Peugeot Inception concept car is equally impressive, as it features a new generation i-cockpit and a hyper-square control system, which revolutionizes driving enjoyment by offering a new, intuitive way of operating the car. The Peugeot Inception concept car is not only a beautiful and powerful electric vehicle, but also a smart and connected one. It is equipped with advanced technologies such as artificial intelligence, biometric recognition, augmented reality, and wireless charging. It is a concept car that opens a new chapter for Peugeot and presents its vision of the future of the automobile. Welcome to the future of mobility. Welcome to the DeLorean Omega 2040 concept. This is not your ordinary electric vehicle. This is a sleek off-roader that can handle any terrain and weather condition with ease. It has an aerodynamic silhouette with a coupe-style roofline, gull-wing doors, high ground clearance, and huge wheels. It is a 2-seater 4-wheel drive car that looks like a spaceship version of the classic DeLorean. The company has not revealed the exact specs of the car. The DeLorean Omega 2040 concept is inspired by Baja-themed off-road racing, a sport that tests the limits of speed and endurance. The DeLorean Omega 2040 concept is designed to celebrate mobility and driving with a futuristic design that departs from traditional automotive conventions. The DeLorean Omega 2040 concept is the next generation of DeLorean's design philosophy, a vision that reimagines the iconic line of DeLorean Alphas. What if you could have a car that changes with you? A car that knows what you want, how you feel, and where you're going. A car that can drive itself or let you take over. A car that is small, fast, and fun. A car that is the ultimate expression of personal mobility. That car is the Mini 100 concept car. The Mini 100 concept car is a vision for the future of Mini, celebrating the 100th anniversary of its parent company, BMW. The Mini 100 concept car is designed to be shared by different users who can customize it with their own colors, patterns, and features. The Mini 100 concept car uses the latest in autonomous driving and digital intelligence technology, allowing it to communicate with other vehicles and the environment. The Mini 100 concept car is also powered by an electric motor that delivers smooth and efficient performance. It can switch between different driving modes, from sporty to relaxed, depending on your preference. The Mini 100 concept car is not just a car. It's a companion, it's a friend, it's a Mini. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content, and as always, thanks for watching.